So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to offload Life360 app. Now if you want to offload Life360 app, there isn't a direct way to do that within the app. You will first need to go to your settings. So let's go to the settings. Once you're here, you can see at the very bottom apps, you can see App Store, iCloud, and so on. You can see your Face ID and passcode. So you can go to general settings. So let's get to those general settings. And on there, you will need to click on iPhone storage. So let's open iPhone storage. And you can scroll all the way down until you see your Life360 app. So let's click on that. And on here, you can see some information about it. What's the current version of the app on your device? What's the full name of it? The size of the app? The documents and data that go along with the app on your device. And you can choose two different things. First one would be to offload your app, which is the thing you're looking for right now. And you can also choose to delete it. But if you're looking to offload Life360 app, this is the exact button you need to click. And once you press that, your app should be offloaded. And once you go all the way back to check on it, you should see some offloaded. So not everything should be there. Your app should be offloaded. So your phone deletes the app program to free up space. Your personal login data and settings will stay saved on the device, and your location status inside the circle may freeze or stop updating from the last moment until you reinstall the app again. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.